What would you like to eat for breakfast?
Mama, wake up you.
Huh?
Wake up you.
What would you like to eat for breakfast?
Mama.
Do you want pancake again? You want me to make pancake quickly? Yes? Okay, I'll do that.
Mommy,
Yes?
how do you do a tractor? How do you ride a tractor? What is this?
Ah, yeah, you can play with it. You want to play with it? Yeah. Excavator. Mommy will turn it on. Okay, go. Malaking pan na naman. Para isang luto na lang. Do you want Daddy to drop you off?
Yes.
Okay. She's ready. Oh wow. Oh wow. Look at her hair, guys. Oh wow. Wow. Same hair as yesterday. Request niya. So same hair as yesterday, Mommy, ha? Patingin ng likod, ate. Let me see the back of your head. No, tingnan mo. Dapat may ano talaga, flower. What do you want to wear today? Do you want to wear boots?
Ooh, it's not raining.
It's not raining, yeah. You can wear your black shoes.
Black shoes.
Yeah.
Black shoes.
Mm-hmm.
Who's black shoes?
The black and pink shoes.
Black pink shoes.
Yeah. Gising na din yung dudong natin.
I need to
And may pancake tayo, pero ang request talaga, wraps talaga. So, ayan, ubos na yung wraps niya. Paubos na. Good eating, boy.
Mommy with Daddy.
Where's Daddy?
Yeah, Daddy is
Daddy's going.
tight.
The New Balance one. I love you. I'm not gonna go there because Arlo's gonna cry. I'll just say goodbye to you. Love you.
Bye.
Say bye to Arlo. Uy.
Yeah,
Do you wanna give him a hug and a kiss?
bye.
Aww.
Bye. Yeah, bye.
Aww. So, enjoy school, ate.
Oh,
Oh no. Why? She kissed your ear? That's okay.
I think.
Bye, Arla. Alligator? See you later, alligator. Oh my gosh, I love your colors today.
Very good.
Yeah. What you say? I love your colors, I said.
Thank you.
You're welcome, babe.
You say thank you.
Huh?
You say thank you.
I say thank you too. Okay, thank you.
You say thank you.
You said thank you.
No, I'm not.
Okay, you're welcome. Enjoy school. I'll pick you up later, okay?
Why?
Because. Love you, baby.
You pay with the phone?
You beat me enough.
Very good.
Enjoy school. See you later.
That's enough.
Bye, Daddy.
See you, boy. Kiss.
Kiss, Daddy. Aww.
See you tonight, boy.
There.
Daddy, don't annoy him. My goodness, Daddy. So, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Get out of my house. You annoying you too? Ate annoyed you as well this morning, didn't she? Ah, they're both annoying. Bye. Say bye-bye, Ate. Bye-bye, Daddy. Aww. Good job. T-Rex. Okay, watch T-Rex. Yeah. Where's the remote? Where's the remote? On the couch? Actually, hindi ko siya inisip for a long time kasi ang dami kong inasikaso. But today, natulog si Arlo and I didn't feel like taking a nap, so hindi ako nag-nap. So naghanap ako ng mga ilalagay sa box and ang dami. Ngayon na naghanap ako, ang dami-dami na tuloy. Ang dami ko pang toys, guys. Ang dami pa naming toys dyan under the stairs. Tapos meron pa tayong inopen kahapon. I think I will need like a whole box just for toys. And yung mga damit na naiwan ni Mark, nilagay ko din dito. And ang dami ko palang damit na nakatago sa guest room. Boxes of clothes. And puno na to. Actually, ano na yan? Sobra-sobra na yan. Nilagyan ko lang ng mga plushie sa ibabaw. Kasi naglagay ako ng mga laruan din. Para mawala na tong box dito. Yung goal ko kasi is masend ko siya before kami umalis. Ang dami kasing nagbibigay sa amin ng regalo. And we are very grateful. Kaya lang, yeah, sobrang napapadami talaga yung toys namin. Yung mga stuffed toy, my goodness, ang dami-dami namin stuffed toy. Hindi ko na alam kung saan nilalagay yung mga bagay-bagay. It will be picked up this Saturday. Finally, mawawala na yung box na yan dito. Nakompleto ko na yung paperwork. Nasulatan ko na din yung box mismo. And we have all the boxes here that we need to get rid of. But that's good. We got rid of like 3 boxes, diba? Napuno ng mga damit. Kalat-kalat na bahay namin, as usual. Yung mga kalat ni Ayla. Kagabi kasi yan nilaro. And more dito. And then, yung box na yan. Meron na naman box. So, baka pagpunta nila ni Kuya sa Sabado, I'm not sure kung meron silang binibentang box na dala-dala nila. Para meron na tayong nakastock na box dito. Sa mga i-declutter ko, i-diretso ko na lang sa box. Tapos, yung donation ko na pang-donate dito sa Australia, puno na din, guys. Hindi ko kasi, syempre, hindi ko pinapadala doon yung mga pangmalamig. Kasi hindi naman nagagamit sa Pinas. So, dinodonate ko siya dito. Tsaka yung mga damit na nasuot ko na. Tapos, I'm getting rid of. Kasi yung mga pinapadala ko sa box, mga bago talaga siya. Hindi lang sa akin. So, yung mga dito, na dinodonate namin sa ano ba? Yung mga nagamit ko na, para hindi ko siya itapon. Ilagay ko lang siya sa donation box. Tapos, si Dan na mag-drop. Look at all the boxes that we have. Tingnan nyo yarns. Dami nating basura. Si Dan nagugupit, nagtutupi. But I think I will help him. Kasi si Kuya maglilinis bukas para maayos to dito. And I think in 15 minutes, gisingin ko na si Arlo para pick up si Ayla. So we have 15 minutes to do that. In 1 minute, mag-a-alarm na tong phone ko. Nag-a-alarm ako 2:30 para, uy, pick up mo yung anak mo today. Ayun na nga. Ako lang narinig niyo ba? Naka-airpods ako eh. Nanunuurak ko ng showtime. Meron akong mangga dito, guys. In fairness sa mangga. Maasim talaga siya. Tapos siya pa yung mangga na, yung ano, parang sumasama yung balat ng buto. Balat ng buto, yung ito ba? Sumasama yung balat ng buto kapag kinakat mo siya. So, maasim talaga siya, guys. Ito yung sobra ko kahapon. So, kainin natin. Tapos, diretso na tayo. Pick up natin si Ate. May time pa tayo. Ahin talaga niya. Tapos matigas pa siya. Crunchy ba? Ito yung asim na hinahanap-hanap ko. Hindi ko pa naman kailangan umalis. So, si Arlo tulog pa din. So, ta-transfer ko lang yun si Arlo. Nagpapa-alarm lang ako kasi just in case nagnanap ako ba. At least magising ako ng alarm. Kasi kuwawaan man natin. So, kahapon ko to kinain. Tapos may natira nga. Kasi sobrang asim na. Hindi ko naubos. Pero konti lang natira. Itatapon na sana ni Dan. Sabi ko, mangga ko yan. Dinrive ko yan ng malayo. Asim. Pero tayo, guys. Asin lang yung inano ko. Yung sab. Asin yung sobrang dami ba. Budbud talaga ng asin ba. Sarap. Hindi ko sinasali yung balat ng buto kasi parang mapait konti. Ito itsura niya. May maliit ba? Medyo malambot na nga siyang konti pero crunchy pa din siya pag in-open. Bukas ko yun i-open kasi okay na ako sa mangga today. Anong oras na? 2:34. Ah, thank you, Lord. Bumaba na siya, guys. Timing na timing. Hello! Morning! Good timing! Did you wake up happy? Let's go pick up Ate.
Yes.
Yes. Where's Ate?
Happy.
Where's Ate? Where's Ate today? Huh? Mommy's car. Okay. Say bye, guys. See you later. Baby car? Do you want to go in your baby seat?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Oh, let's go. You woke up happy? Alright.
A tree.
A what?
A tree.
A train. Oh, train. Choo choo. Here comes the train. Wait. Choo choo. Alright, this one.
There.
Yeah. Alright, let's turn it on. How do you turn it on? This one? This one here. What?
Where are you, Mom? Where? Mommy.
Yes. What? 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 Why did you call me, huh?
Mommy.
Yes?
This was the patata.
Monster cat.
No.
You don't want that?
I am boo boo. Mommy. Say chips.
You ready to go? Yes.
Mommy.
Okay, baby.
Mommy.
Yes?
I don't reach it.
You can't reach it? That's okay. You don't have to reach it. Ready to see Ate? Where's Ate? Where's Ate?
That's true.
Ate's in school. Where's Daddy?
Daddy's searching.
Daddy's working. How about Mommy? Where's Mommy?
Puppy there.
Where is Mommy?
That's puppy.
Where's Papi? Where's Nana?
No.
Nana's home? Yes. Ah. We'll use the travel pram aloe. Nice and light. I didn't buy that. I saw it under the stairs. Is that T-Rex? Do you want to show the guys? I don't know, baby. I don't think I bought it. I think someone gave it to him. I don't remember. I don't remember. It's been too long. Oh, she ate this today. Ah, you didn't eat the mushroom? You don't want it? That's okay. May natirang mushrooms. Nilagyan ko siya ng mushrooms eh. Kasi gusto niya yan. Pero hindi niya kinain. But the rest, she ate. Walang-wala. Ubos na ubos. T-Rex! You wanna watch TV? And ito na lang nag-iisa natirang snack dito sa harap. What do you want, baby? Huh? I'm not sad. That's alright. Yeah. You don't like the mushroom? You don't want me to put mushroom in your lunchbox anymore? You like it very much. You don't like it today? That's okay. I understand that.
Alright, dinner tonight I got beef schnitzel, couple eggs, some peas, corn and carrot, gravy. Isla has, what do you have, Eiley? Gotcha. Okay, what's for dinner tonight, Anna? Explain your dinner.
What are you having?
What are you
baby?
having, Princess?
What is it?
What is this?
Pasta.
This is pasta? Okay. Do you like it? You gonna eat it all? Promise? Alright. Arlo?
You dropped something?
I will
That's
not
okay. Leave it. You have more here.
Is T-Rex gonna eat dinner?
No, didn't.
Nah.
Don't make a mess. He's a very sooky boy at the moment.
You really want to get that pasta? Okay.
Floor pasta's the best pasta. Okay.
Yay. Yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
No.
Oh no. Oh no.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yummy. Good boy. And At is eating well too. Well done, babe.
Good job.
Guys, dito ako sa room ni Arlo. Guys, di ba napuno ko yung box? Tapos na kami kumain lahat, nakaupo na kami, manonood sila ng footy. Tapos kinuwento ko kay Dan yung araw ko na ito yung ginawa ko, na puno ko yung box, ang dami-dami naming toys. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, na-mention ko lang sa kanya, pag pick up nila kuya sa Sabado, baka meron silang box na binibenta. Bili ako ng box para meron tayong box dito. Tapos ilagay ko yung mga toys na hindi na natin kailangan para isend sa Pilipinas. Sabi pa naman sa akin, bakit hindi ka nalang bumili ng box bukas tapos punuin mo para masend nila ni kuya sa Sabado, para instead of picking up one box, they can pick 2 boxes and we're out of toys na hindi natin kailangan. Sabi ko, yeah, we can do that too. So alam yung ginawa ko, guys. After namin maligo ng mga bata, nag-declutter ako ng toys sa under the stairs namin. So meron na akong sobrang daming toys dun sa baba na ready na to go in a box. I went through their toys downstairs as well. So we don't have a toy room, right? Kasi we chose not to have a toy room. Ayoko kasi yung nakikita ko yung toys na naka-display, nakakalat, kasi nakakalatan ako. And kapag may nakita akong kalat, gusto ko na itago siya or iligpit siya. So we don't have a toy room, but we have toys everywhere na yun nga, nakatago sa kung saan-saan lang, nakabasket, sa cabinets. So lahat ng kwarto ng bahay na to, sa lahat ng mga living rooms, merong toys. And na-okay ko na yung under the stairs, na-clear ko na yun. Sa baba din, sa main living namin, meron din kami mga cabinets doon. Lahat ng cabinets namin may lamang toys. Na go through ko na din yun. So, konti na lang natira. So, yung goal namin is, well, yung goal namin ni Dan, pero ako lang yung nagtatrabaho. Kasi nagre-relax si Daddy, nanonood siya ng footy. Nagsuggest lang siya. Tapos sabi ko, nga no. Tapos yun na, nabuang na ako kakaligpit. Dito ako sa kwarto ni Arlo. Well, hindi dito natutulog si Arlo, but ito talaga yung kwarto niya. Because I have clothes as well. I just don't think na mapupuno namin yung box ng toys lang unless ilagay ko tong apakalaking mga stuffed toy dito. Ang dami-dami kasi naming stuffed toy na hindi naman namin kailangan, pero we are very blessed na ang daming nagre-regalo sa amin. I have to declutter. Anyway, nandito yung mga na-declutter ko ng mga clothes na alright. Wait, that's for girls. Di ba sinegregate ko siya? So, nandito for girls. That's for boys. So, all this, yung laman nito, puro boys. So, pwede ko na yung ipadala sa Pinas kasi hindi ko na yung kailangan. And blankets as well and all that. Oh, wow. Girls. Alright. So, dito lang. Bukas na natin yan. Kunin pag may box na tayo. So, bukas pa ako bibili ng box, guys, kasi wala naman akong tambay na box lang, yung isang box lang. So we have that. This is not it. Like, this is only 1% of all our stuffed animals. It's very fluffy, but it needs to go. So itong mga to, it needs to go. Yung mga ikikip ko lang is yung mga dinala talaga namin galing Japan. Yung mga Japan vending machine.
Mommy?
Ito, Japan.
Probably.
Japan.
You have it there.
Saka yan is Japan. Yan yung mga
Mommy,
ikikip
the
ko.
Ruby.
Ito, i-donate natin.
Ruby.
Jollibee, we're keeping Jollibee. Huwag natin ibalik sa Pilipinas si Jollibee. Ating yan. So, yun yung gagawin ko for the rest of the night. I will just keep collecting stuff na ilalagay sa box. And tingnan niyo yung mga nahanap ni Ayla. Kasi nga nag-clutter ako dun sa under the stairs. Sa dami ng toys, ito lang yung ang gusto niya i-keep. Oh, di ba? Ang bait-bait ni ate. Ito lang. Sa dami nun guys. Boxes of toys. Ay! Ay! Ay!
There.
Oh my God.
There.
What do you want?
Oh.
Yan. Yung sobrang lalaki niyan. Paano natin yan? You want that, Alaw? It's a crocodile or a dinosaur? A dinosaur.
No, it's a crocodile. There.
There. Where's it? Crocodile or dinosaur? Okay, we're keeping those. Oi! Do you want to say goodnight to the guys?
No, I want to say hi to the guys.
Okay, say hi to the guys now.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Good night, guys. Be good. Bye.
I don't want to say bye.
Oh, you don't want to say bye. What do you want to do? We found another T-Rex. Sa pagdideclutter ko, we found 2 new dinosaurs. Dalawang bago sa paningin ni Arlo. Yan, at saka yung malaking from Toy Story na dinosaur. Anyway, bye guys. See you later. Oh, are you okay? You alright?